welcome back to the kitchen. Today I'm going to share another favorite recipe of mine, a low carb vegetable recipe. Today we're going to do broccoli florets in the oven. Some of the ingredients you're going to want to have are some granulated garlic. We've got our olive oil. I like using the mild one. I know there are different flavors of olive oil, but I definitely like the mild, then you're not getting that overbearing taste. I've got my Himalayan pink salt we're going to grind down, and my fresh cracked pepper. You're also going to need to get your broccoli for your florets. Either pick it out of your garden fresh or pick the most firm broccoli at the grocery store. You do not want to grab the ones that are more rubbery. That basically means they've been there a little longer. So you're going to want to start with rinsing all your broccoli, which we've done, and you're going to want to pat dry it as best as you can to get all the water off of it. This is just to ensure that your olive oil mixture is actually going to coat it and stick on it. Once you have done that, you're basically going to get your knife, and we want to just start chopping up your florets. You can basically do them any size you like. I like doing them about this size because once they're done, I can just grab, pop it in my mouth, and go. Works good pairing it with dinners, works good throwing it in your salads, or just walking by the fridge and grabbing a quick snack. So we're going to get these cut up. I'm going to get them lined on my cookie sheet with parchment paper. Once again, parchment paper is easy cleanup. So I'm going to get all this cut up and show you what comes next. Got all the broccoli cut up. This is probably about 4 cups worth. So on the ends, you can either chop these up and also put them on the cookie sheet and bake them. But I'm going to put them in a bag and take them out to my hens and give them a little treat today. For olive oil, you're going to want to get 2 tablespoons. You just want to ensure you've got enough olive oil to brush all of your broccoli and coat it really well so all of your seasonings will stick on it. Just basically brush it back and forth. Make sure you coat it pretty good. This will just ensure when you're baking it in the oven that it gets nice and golden. We've got our olive oil garnished on top of our broccoli, covered really good. It's nice and wet right now, so you're going to want to start with your toppings, what you like to season with. I like doing the granulated garlic, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of pepper. I have done Parmesan cheese. That is really, really good as well. Also, in the meantime, you can go ahead and start your oven and get it preheating to 400 degrees. These are going to bake at 400 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes, depending if you like them more golden or not. I do, so I'm going to let them go a little bit longer. So we're just going to start sprinkling our garlic on here, giving them a little bit of flavor. And as you can see, they're all coated really good with olive oil. You can also use butter, real butter. I have done that. That is really, really good as well. Nice and rich. Now we got our fresh ground pepper. This just adds a little kick to it. Let's cover that really good. And then we're doing a little bit of fresh ground Himalayan salt. Now, this does go a long way, so I tend to use it a little bit more sparingly. I don't like a lot of salt, but it just adds a little bit to enhance the flavor. So we're just going to Do a little bit of Himalayan. All right, there we go. And we're gonna wait for the oven to preheat. Okay, our oven's ready, so we're gonna put our broccoli in. Do you wanna get a good shot at that, Allie, before we put it in? You see all the seasonings, the olive oil, you can see the gleam. So 400 degrees, 15 to 20 minutes. Timer's beeped. We let it stay in for 20 minutes. Allie, you wanna zoom in and you can see the little bit of golden on it. So I'm gonna let this cool for a minute, you guys, and do a taste test, which I know it's gonna be fantastic. Love this recipe. This is a low carb, easy, quick food prep or make for dinner. The kids love it. My husband loves it. I've given this a couple of minutes to cool down, and we're gonna give it a little try. Delicious. It actually has a little bit of a crunch to it, which normally you would think broccoli would be more soggy or soft. No. You cook it in the oven, put the olive oil on it, put the seasonings on it, let it go for about 20 minutes so it gets a little brown. It is perfect. You guys got to give this one a try. So I can't wait to share my next recipe with you, and let me know what you think. Let me know if you try this, and I think you're going to like it just like I do. And have a nice day, you guys.